Hey, good morning, good people. Man, this Coach Mike checking in. Hey, don't be led by emotions. This morning, I did not want to get up and come to the gym, but because I'm moved by principles, like there's something deeper than my emotions that I'm doing here. I mean, it's going to be a lot of times that you're not going to feel like doing it, but if you're led by your feelings and your emotions, you're going to lose a lot of opportunities. You're not going to get results. I need you to get up today. If you missed it this morning, it's cool. Whatever you plan to do in your mind, listen, in my mind, I promise you, I was like, man, maybe I can do it this evening. No. Hey, we're in the moment. We got to do it right now. Got to do it right now. Don't be led by your emotions today. If you say you're going to do it in your mind, get out and go do it. Because if you're led by emotions, you'll keep getting the results you're getting. But if you're led by principle, there's a promise at the end. Yeah, my mentor told me that, and I'm living it. Be led by principle, not emotion.